like when you have a object or surface that's, well, a bit dull. Could be a piece of clothing with no brand on it. Could be a product you're keen to get into or make into a sort of a business. And you get certain packaging out there that's been designed. This is, for example, a box that just says smartwatch. Pretty nondescript, simple. There's a lot on the market though like it. Here's a bottle, for instance. Neat to the touch, a glass bottle, but again, nothing keeping it unique or different, adding a bit of character. So many things out there that I tend to look at just seem to be, well, a little bit dull. But there's something exciting on the market. Welcome to something which I've been sent by a company called buythis.co.za. This is a little card that came inside the box or inside the packaging. I'll just share it with you. It lets you also go onto their website. You can watch, you can learn, you can actually earn some percentage back just by investing a bit of time in the products and studying what they do. They're an incredible website specializing in a lot of machinery and equipment. We're talking specialized machinery, which will make you really personalize your lifestyle, whether it be for yourself or starting your own business. The likes of CNC laser etching machines, for instance, the likes of 3D printers, heat presses. They have a bunch of consumables, such as 3D print consumables available, the likes of screen printing, accessories, as well as software to really get you creative and thinking outside of the box. But with all this being said, the product's just arrived. It's something I'm really excited to play with and get in touch with. It is an inkjet handheld printer. It's been sent to me, and you can get your own too. In fact, there's a discount being offered. On screen now you'll see a coupon code, Technobok Go. Use that to get a discount and really start creating, because with this website, buythis.co.za, you can get all your printing needs, all your accessories, machinery and equipment to not only start your own printing press or business and start monetizing the whole thing, but really to make your life a bit more creative, fun and unique with a ton of clever and impressive equipment. Right here, first things first, let's take a look at the box. We're going to unbox it right here and unwrap it, see what it's all about. Then we'll jump into this intelligent handheld printer. I think it's something exciting because particularly, well, let's say you have kids, you want to label their books, for instance, you want to label a juice bottle, anything. This lets you print directly onto the surface, a bunch of clever designs. You can create your own simply by using the device or just whatever you want, the customization, the choice is there. It's got a built-in display. Some of the specs listed here is a 0.5 or 1 inch ink bed there, 4.3 inch display size, 600 dpi HD, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, so you simply connect it to your favorite mobile device and start creating. With all this being said, let's cut the box open now, see what comes inside, unbox this, and then spend a bit of time testing out the intelligent handheld inkjet printer. Taking a look inside the box, you're first greeted with this instructional manual here. It shows the device, it's got a built-in display, and it tells you a little bit about it. Let's quickly take a look at the manual, just get a brief glimpse into what it's talking about here. It tells you about some of its accessories. Comes in the box, it's the printer, the charger, 8.4 volt, 0.8 of an amp, ink cartridges, well as the inkjet printer operation manual. Here you get a quick breakdown as to everything that it offers, as well as some QR codes which can be used to download and set up the software and for easy use through its Bluetooth transmission. Inside the box, what we also get here, however, is, well, a little metal tray on the top here. Then we'll get into the rest of the equipment. First thing you're greeted with feels really solid and weighty in the hand, very, very impressive. It's the actual printer. I must say I love the design. Handheld, it's got an almost kind of trigger style, which will make it really easy to print on surfaces. You've got the rollers there, you've got a power switch, your charge socket, a USB port, and of course the area here where you'll load your ink cartridge. You can see there am.co.za, buy this.co.za, and you can feel it's got some weight, it's quite hefty in the hand, and you'll notice this is a dry absorption ink cartridge, which means it's for printing on hard surfaces which do not absorb. First thing you're going to do is, you'll see it's got a little plastic cover on here. You click it from the back. This just simply protects the print head and pad itself. It's important to put this on again and keep it if you want to store your individual cartridges. And I'm just going to set it to the side for a second, quickly run through again some of what it has here. You'll notice it's got this really neat piece of tape here. You know we love to hear that sound. Very nice. Take it off the screen just to give you a neat view of the display. There's your rollers. That's where the print tab will go. It's got this clever handheld trigger style design. At the back you got your power button, you got the USB, you got the charge port, and it's neat and ready to go. There's the branding. What you also notice is, well, you got this little tab here. Now this is loading your ink cartridge. Pull this down first to a central position. It's important to realize that this is your print pad. So the actual printing pad needs to be located there. That means you therefore load it in facing on a forward angle until you get it to line up. It's important not to force it. It's just got to simply click into position. It's got to be sitting near the front of the printer, and once it's in place, you'll notice it clicks comfortably into position. You can see it's right on the front of the print pad here, which means it's set up and ready to go. With this clicked into place, the printer is ready to be powered on, and we can start printing. Notice the neat, intuitive display. It's bright, it's vibrant. You can use the stylus pen to jump into the likes of settings here. That's Bluetooth. You got loads of available languages. What you also notice here is you got your calibration settings, information about the printer, time, file management. Then you've got your print settings, loading files and editing. Let's go into print. I've already inputted, for example, the word Technobok, but let's say we wanted to change that. Let's go back there, edit. Let's delete that. You'll see how easy it is and intuitive to use this. I figured it out immediately, and it's straightforward to use straight out of the box. More allows you to input the likes of a barcode for a product, symbol, an image, a table, even Excel, or you can go straight away and go edit. You can add text. Let's type in Technobok and even add a symbol with that. There we are. Tick that. You press start printing. Take a surface, like here we've got a notepad, and let's sample how this works. Flat on the surface, hold it down and start printing. And you can see immediately, neat, not wet to the touch, really impressive printing this straight onto the pad. Check out this product as well as many other incredible products in the consumables printing and designer space at buythis.co.za. Be sure to use our link on screen now to get a discount when purchasing, as well as check out our link if you missed it in the description below. From me, Jason of Technobok, I love products which think outside of the box, and this intelligent handheld inkjet printer is a unique one of those.